Banh Mi Recipe. What is banh mi? Banh mi sandwiches are a Vietnamese street food that originated in Saigon. Served in soft French baguettes, they're a delicious hybrid of French and Vietnamese cuisine. Typically, they contain pickled carrots, daikon, chiles, cucumber slices, cilantro, mayo, and a protein. Popular proteins include marinated pork, chicken, and paté, but use tofu in this recipe to make it vegetarian. Baguette. Look for soft baguette with a lightly crisp exterior. If it's too chewy or crusty, the fillings will squish out of the sandwich. Seared marinated tofu, the meat of this sandwich. Marinate firm tofu in a blend of tamari or soy sauce, lime juice and zest, garlic, ginger, and black pepper. Pickled vegetables, these are key for giving a banh mi its signature sweet and tangy flavor. Pickle a combination of carrots, cucumber, jalapeño, and daikon in white wine vinegar, rice vinegar, salt, and sugar. Mayo, a banh mi essential. It adds a delicious richness to this fresh sandwich. To make this recipe vegan, substitute your favorite store-bought vegan mayo, or make your own. Sriracha, for extra heat. Cilantro, the perfect fresh finishing touch. After the tofu marinates, heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat and sear the tofu on both sides. When it's golden brown and caramelized, stuff it into the baguette with the pickled veggies, cilantro, a slather of mayo, and a squirt of sriracha. Enjoy!